Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use partial match contains scenario. Earlier in the two videos we saw the beginning and the ending words for partial match. So now here we are going to see for words which contains any letters or any words. So that should give us a result. So as we used before, for this video also we're going to use XLOOKUP and also filter, and we're going to see what's the differences they have. So first formula is XLOOKUP, let, and then double quotes. So I'm going to write the word in between asterisk. So I'm going to write 2 asterisk, that means contains apple, and then I'm going to give the search range, and then I'm going to give the result range. What if there is no value in A? And then what is I'm looking here, not exact match, not higher match, not lower match. I'm looking for wildcard match which contains this word. So I'm going to end the parenthesis here. As you can see already the text is highlighted, the number. So if I hit enter, it will show you the result as 40, because we have one match with apple, but there's also one more match over. It's not giving you the result because XLOOKUP always works for the first result. So that is the reason we're going to move to the next formula, which is filter function. Filter function also needs a help of regex match to extract the text from column D. So what I want to filter here is the numbers from the second column. Now I'm going to write the regex match, which help us to filter it out the words which are containing apple word. So where should regex match look? So the range is this, D7 to D9, and then what I'm saying is contains quotes and then word. Then I'm going to end the parenthesis, and I'm going to hit enter. It should give the 2 results, I guess. Yes. So the first result is this, which is 40, and the second result is this, which is 60. So there are 2 words which contains apple. So results are here 40 and 60. So this is how anywhere in your DOM, if you want to extract a word like which contains particular letters, you can use easily XLOOKUP and filter based on your requirement. If you just want a first result, go for XLOOKUP. If you want all the results which are containing the partial match, then you can use filter. Hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.